Hey Irfan, why you look so frustrated? Mind to share your problem with me?
Hi Riz, I have a little bit confusion. My mom told me to buy a bleach yesterday, but when I gave it to my mom, she said it was not good enough to remove the stain. So my mom asked me to buy a new one with a better quality. So now I don't even know which one is the best.
Ah, I see. Didn't we learn about this before on Miss Nazwa lecture video about concentration? I think your problem we can solve with this video.
Oh yeah? Can you show the video?
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my name is NURUL DANIA binti MOHAMAD, and in this video, my teammates and I are going to discuss and talk about the application of volumetric analysis, cleaning agent in household. When you hear about volumetric analysis, what comes to your mind first? Volume in volumetric or analyze in analysis? Let's see the definition of volumetric analysis, whereby it is a general term for method in quantitative chemical analysis in which the amount of substance is determined by the measurement of the volume that the substance occupies. But do you really understand by the definition itself? Let me give you some example. From the picture here, you can see a blue solution which we know the concentration and the volume. This is called titrant and is located inside the burette. Meanwhile, another solution which is hot pink in color has a volume but unknown concentration. It is labeled as analyte, which was the substance that we need to identify, and it is located in conical glass. There are 4 types of volumetric analysis, such as acid-base, precipitation, complexometric, and redox. In this video, we will go in details for acid-base titration, but before that, let's recap on how we set up the apparatus for titration. Let's go!
Next is the preparation of titration. Preparation of titration has 2 parts: setting up the equipment and conducting of titration. For the setting up the equipment, first we need to prepare the apparatus like burette, pipette, conical flask, volumetric flask, and funnel. And second, rinse all the glassware with the distilled water at least 3 times. For the burette and pipette, rinse with the solution that will be used. And third, fill up the burette with the acid and record the initial volume. And lastly, clamp the burette carefully to a burette stand. The burette should be secure enough so that it does not move or slide. Now we'll continue with conducting a titrant. First, use a pipette to add alkali to a conical flask. Pipette is used to deliver a fixed volume of standard solution. Second, drop a small amount of color indicator into the conical flask. And third, place the conical flask under the burette. The burette should be at the center of the conical flask. And the last one, slowly open the stop coop so that the titrant drip out of the burette. Allow the titrant to drip into the analyte until you notice a permanent color change.
Before we go to problem solving direct titration, let me explain what is direct titration. Direct titration is a method of quantitative analysis where a known concentration of titrant is added directly to the analyte until the reaction is complete. How to find concentration of bleach based on type A Clorox picture here? So we can see concentration of natrium hydroxide here is still unknown. So what should we do? First, we must balance chemical equation. On the left side, we have natrium hydroxide plus HCl, and on the right side, we have natrium chloride plus H2O. Second step, we must find mole of HCl. So 0.054 mole over 1 liter multiplied with 0.025 liter, and we got 1.35 times 10 power of negative 3. On the third step, we must compare and find mole of natrium hydroxide, the bleach. So we must do a cross multiplication, but first we need to see how many mole on the left chemical equation. So on the left chemical equation, you can see here is 1 mole of HCl and 1 mole of natrium hydroxide. So just cross multiplication, and then we got mole of natrium hydroxide is 1.35 times 10 power of negative 3. On the fourth step, we must substitute in the formula. So formula that I use here is MAVA over MBVB equal to 1 over 1. So we just substitute the value, and 0.054 times 25 ml over MB times 30 ml equal to 1 over 1. And final answer we got on concentration of natrium hydroxide is 0.045 m. Settle with searching concentration of type A Clorox natrium hydroxide. On the second type B Clorox, I want all of you try, but I provide the answer if you want to check. So good luck.
Hi and Assalamualaikum guys, my name is FATIN binti Muhammad ZAKI, and in this part, I'm going to share with you guys how to calculate the pH value. So let's go. We're going to see how to calculate the pH and which one have the best pH for the bleach by using the information given. So first, let me take a look at bleach A. So bleach A contains 0.045 molar of sodium hydroxide. So when we want to calculate the pH, we must do the equation first. So the equation is NaOH produce Na plus with OH minus. And then we get OH value is 0.045 molar. So next we want to calculate the POH. So the POH equal to negative log 0.045, we will get 1.347. And next we want to calculate the pH based on the POH value just now. So pH plus POH equal to 14. And then pH equal to 14 minus with 1.347. And we will get 12.653. Next, we calculate the bleach B. Bleach B contains 0.0 molar of barium hydroxide. So the equation is BaOH2 produce Ba2 plus with 2 OH minus. So the value of OH minus is 2 multiplied with 0.6 molar, and we will get 0.12 molar. So next, we have to find the POH value. So the POH is equal to negative log 0.12, we will get 0.921. So next, we find the pH value, which is pH plus with POH equal to 14. pH equal to 14 minus with 0.921, we will get 13.079. So between these two bleach B have a greater pH value than bleach A. This is because, based on the pH scale, bleach B is more alkaline than bleach A.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad bin Mahdi, and I'm going to explain about the titration curve of both bleach. So I'm going to start with the titration curve of bleach type A, which is between sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Before the addition of HCl, pH of NaOH is 12.653, and when HCl is added, the pH is decreased gradually as more HCl is neutralized and the solution becomes less alkaline. So if you look at the graph, the solution reached equivalent point at pH 7 when 25 ml of HCl is added. Beyond the equivalent point, pH is decreased as the HCl is added. So next is titration curve of bleach type B, which is between barium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Before the addition of HCl, pH of BaOH is 30.079. And when HCl is added, the pH is decreased gradually as more HCl is neutralized and the solution becomes less alkaline. The BaOH reached equivalent point at pH 7 when 23 ml of HCl is added. Beyond the equivalent point, pH is decreased as the HCl is added. Aha! Now I know which one has the better quality. Thank you, RIZZ. Without you, I might get smacked by my mom after class.
No problem, bro. Wait, my mom is calling. Hello, mom. What? You want me to buy a bleach too? You want me to buy a bleach too?
You want me to buy this too?
Oh no!